from Alabama, his first ever Bassmaster Elite Series event, Kyle Welcher.
Yes. Yes. Two bites and I'm excited. Big old giant one, dude. We fishing tomorrow now.
Come on, dude.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Caught a clam. Punching. Penny wort mat blew up in some back of some pads, so it's a small one. That's a place where a 10-pounder could be, really. That's a dang good sign. On the road yet again. Going back to the boat ramp, day one we had, let me turn some lights on real quick. We had 11 pounds on day one. Need about 12 and a half pounds to move up into the top 20 cut. So top 20 is fishing on day 3 due to the fact that we had to shorten it 2 days based on weather, and this is now gonna be a 3-day tournament. So everybody fishes the first 2 days, top 20 fishes on day 3. So the goal right now, squeak into that top 20 cut. We're sitting in like mid-20s right now. Got to move up to 20th or better. So let's get out there, try to gain some of these AOY points and not lose any.
Get out of your way.
I can do this. No. God. Dang. Good and digging. Yes. Yes. Now we're getting paid.
Good job, man. How much?
I don't really know. 3 1/4, 3 1/2, 3 1/4 probably. That's what I'd say. I'm usually under though on my fish.
That's not a bad thing.
It's just I'm so competitive and I just want more. It's not like, it's not I think the fish are small, it's just they're not big enough, you know?
Based on your your estimates. You got 710 right now. Worried that one's going to be a still photo.
Big old giant one, dude. Giant one. Giant one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me get my hands on you. Oh my God, dude! Look at that one, baby! Holy crap! What? Woo! What? Whoa! Woo! Give me some, dude. Damn! We fishing tomorrow now.
That worked. How big was that one?
8-pounder, not 10-pounder. I have no idea. I mean, put it in there as an 8. I don't know.
I'll put it in as 8.
That's my biggest fish I ever caught in my life.
Are you serious?
Yeah, my biggest fish is an 8-9, and that's, I think it's bigger. Put it in there as an 8. I don't know. Like, I have no idea.
That might be a big bass
God.
today. How big was the big bass yesterday? 6 something, right?
I ain't got a clue, but I think that was a 9-pounder yesterday.
Oh shit. Come on, dude.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Add a fish.
Dude, if I catch one more, we might make a run at it for real.
Now, if I don't get to upload this, you'll have to tell them that the app crashed before we can put it in there. No, nothing facetious.
Dude, give me some, dude. Yeah.
Man, I love it.
I didn't even show y'all. It's like a 9-pounder. Oh my God, no, 5-pounder. Gosh, 5 or 6.
That's it.
It's a good upgrade too. There's that one, but it's a good.
Sorry, dude, my phone's locked out. Now that's what you call a kicker.
Hell yeah.
Come on, app. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the charger. I got that warning again, so I don't wanna.
Well, we're idling back in now. I didn't show y'all that giant whenever I caught it. I think it's the biggest fish I've ever caught. So we're about to get over here, let Hunter see, pull him out of the bag. It's gonna be pretty cool way in right now.
Oh my God! What is that?
Just look right there.
Is that a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
From Alabama, his first ever Bassmaster Elite Series event, Kyle Welcher. 11-13 yesterday, and look out, looking for 21-3 to take the lead in his first Elite Series event. 20 pounds, 12 ounces, 7 ounces but with 32 pounds, 9 ounces. Boom, shakalaka, giant bass. We're gonna weigh that for Phoenix Coast big bass, and whew, biggest one of the day, 7 pounds 2 ounces. Not anymore. And the biggest one overall for the tournament, 9.2. Let's find out. 10 pounds and an ounce. Kyle, it is your first Bassmaster Elite Series event. We canceled the first 2 days, which really, I mean, it's kind of like going trick-or-treating with a hole in the bottom of your bag. It's really frustrating. You finally got out there, had a good day yesterday, but dude, you just weighed in the biggest bag we've seen all day, and you weighed in a 10-pounder on the Bassmaster Elite Series.
The way that today went, at 12 o'clock, I think I had 2 fish. And now, like, I caught all that around 2 o'clock, 2:30 is whenever I caught like 4 of those 5 right there. I mean, I've never caught a 10-pounder in my entire life. That's the biggest fish I've ever caught right there. And I came all the way down here and St. John's put it out. So I'm so excited right now. I can't believe the way today came together. At 12 o'clock, I was like, today's the day we're going to suck. But we turned it around and it worked out. So I'm happy. I'm ready to be back out there tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to seeing how it finishes. Big bass, check. Big stage, check. I can't wait to see how your big dreams finish up for you. Let's keep it going.